Today's video was streamed, so if you want to be there for future videos, check out the Twitch link in the description. Today we played chess. Now, I know we're artists, but I screamed at the top of my lungs like I was in a horror movie for chess, so it was just too good not to post. Also, that stream, we introduce our newest member, Ringo. They have an amazing personality and such a cute art style, so I really hope you accept them into the studios as well. Anyways, please enjoy the chaos. See you guys later.
Yeah! We're gonna win this game! Okay, ready?
I'm scared.
You ready, child? I'm gonna win. Okay, you can play now.
No,
okay, go ahead.
no.
We're gonna go. Yes!
So we're just gonna make the same moves.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Woo! I'm gonna make you really big. Hold on. Oh shit.
Oh, big Ringo.
Oh shit.
What did you do? What did you do?
Oh, you're kinda gone now.
I'm gonna turn the stream down.
Yeah.
Big fat Ringo.
Ooh. Yeah!
We're a centipede horse.
My weird centipede horse.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know either. We need some music. Music!
Is it gonna be Wii Sport music?
It's a Spanish guitar. You can't do that! Cheater!
I'm not cheating. I'm supporting your stream.
Don't look at it then. That's cheating. Yes.
Die. You too. Oh, I can't do that.
You can't! Where?
No, I know what you're doing. Oh no, I fell for it. Why won't you let my rabbits live? Oh, never mind. Okay.
I've got to win!
Oh no, you know this.
I already knew! I was watching it the entire time!
Leave. Oh no. Please. My little dude, I'm killing your little clanky robot.
Fine then! Now you can't have another queen!
Kill this one. I'm putting you in a corner.
Woo!
I'm gonna turn it off.
Yeah! I love chess! Oh shit.
And on the trip in our favorite rocket ship. I just realized my queen's dead. When did she die?
Yeah!
I don't remember the queen dying.
I remember it. Because you were sad about it.
I'm putting you in a corner.
Woo!
I'm gonna turn it off.
Yeah! Cool.
Oh God. No!
Yeah!
Little buddy, go. I choose you. No, leave her.
I have to take out all your little guys because you like to play that silly little game of...
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, get away from here. Oh no, you're gonna kill him! I can't do anything
Hi.
because your robot is right here.
Mm-hmm.
No. You would have killed me anyway if I even did. Okay? If me or the robot? It's the robot or the little dude? Which one you killing?
I
Why
mean,
that one?
because if you got a queen, then it's more moves.
No. Okay, I'm just gonna kill the little buddies.
Yeah.
I have one left, and it's in the worst position it could be possibly be.
I know, it's kind of stupid. Just gonna run away.
I'm sad. Oh, I can't move there. I'm gonna cry. It was no.
Oh no, what's your reason of crying?
She killed my buddy. My rabbit.
I'm gonna beat your ass.
They killed the rabbit with the taser.
I love this game!
I'm gonna get revenge. The bunny with the taser. Now I'm gonna kill this one. Oh no, man, I can't
What
kill
one?
him.
No!
I hate this game. Time to kill it.
Don't you dare! No!
No, I'm about to kill. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
The left one!
No.
No!
No.
Woo!
Freaking hate this fucking
I
game.
love
Oh my
this game.
fucking
I love this game!
god. Fudge this game.
I love
Fudge
this
this game.
game!
Fudge. Just a freaking fudge.
I love this
I
game!
sound so chill about losing.
I know, you sound really chill. You're always chill all the time.